Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. Today we are going to see ICAR JRF question paper with solutions 2020 of branch Agricultural Engineering. Part 4. In which condition MB plow gives better performance than disc plow? Sticky soil only, weed infested soil only, hard soil only, hard and sticky soil. The answer is weed infested soil only. What is integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square? Tan x plus constant, tan inverse of x plus constant, cot x plus constant, cot inverse x plus constant. Answer is tan inverse x plus constant. The acceptable workload for an average Indian worker with VO2 max of 2.2 liter per minute, calorific value of O2 as 20.9 kg per liter, 16.1 kilojoule per minute, 10.8 kilojoule per minute, 11.7 kilojoule per minute, 38.1 kilojoule per minute. The answer is 11.7 kilojoule per minute. The square root of the ratio of the inertia force of a following fluid to pressure force is known as Reynolds number, Froude's number, Euler's number, Weber's number. The answer is Euler's number. Which of the following is not a bulk storage practice? Pusa bin, cover and plinth, squat silo, Bukhari. Maximum productivity of maize is to be obtained with a population of 40,000 plants per hectare at a row spacing of 80 cm if the seed emergence is 80% and the number of seeds dropped per hill is 2. Determine the seed spacing 40 cm, 50 cm, 60 cm, 80 cm. The answer is 40 cm. The recommended permissible gap between two tiles in the drainage of silt loam soil and silty clay loam soil is 1 mm to 3 mm, 3 mm to 5 mm, 5 mm to 7 mm, 7 mm to 9 mm. The answer is 1 mm to 3 mm. Efficiency of electric motor can be represented as TW by VI, TI divided by VW, VI divided by TW, TV by IW. Answer is VI by TW. Method suitable for managing rainwater in black soil is bunding, broad base and furrow, terracing, trenching. The answer is trenching. The drawer power output of a tractor is always less than the power takeoff output because drive wheel slippage only, tractor rolling resistance only, friction losses and rolling resistance only, slippage rolling resistance and friction losses. The answer is drive wheel slippage only. The relation between tractive efficiency, net traction coefficient, gross traction coefficient and slip is, answer is option 2. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, soil erodibility is a function of the physical characteristic of rainfall. Statement 2, soil erodibility is defined as vulnerability of or susceptibility of the soil to erosion. Choose the most appropriate answer from given options below. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is true. The answer is statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is true. Most popular fencing for general farm use is woven wire mesh fencing, electric fencing, improved electric fencing, barbed wire fencing. The answer is barbed wire fencing. Hydraulic gradient is defined as change in pressure head per length, change in velocity head per length, change in static head per length, head loss due to friction per length. The answer is head loss due to friction per length. Major force of action in case of Reed's mill is crushing, impact, shear, cutting. The answer is cutting. Permissible velocity in earth channel having sandy loam soil is 45 cm per second, 60 cm per second, 75 cm per second, 90 cm per second. The answer is 75 cm per second. Moisture contained by a substance that exerts equilibrium vapor pressure less than that of liquid at same temperature is known as equilibrium moisture, bound moisture, unbound moisture, free moisture. The answer is bound moisture. Which of the following is the main combustible component in biogas? Methane, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, oxygen. The answer is methane. Collection of internationally adopted food standards and related text presented in uniform manner is FSSAI, Codex Alimentarius, HACCP, GMP. The answer is option number 2. In case of rubber roll hullers, rollers rotate at same speed, rotate at different speed, vibrate at same frequency, vibrate at varying frequency. The answer is rollers rotate at different speed. The flow in which the fluid particles move along well-defined path or streamline and all the streamlines are straight and parallel is known as uniform flow, non-uniform flow, turbulent flow, laminar flow. The answer is uniform flow. A device used for exchange of heat between two fluids: heat engine, heat exchanger, extruder, irradiator. The answer is heat exchanger. Specific draft of a tillage implement is defined as horizontal component of the pool, vertical component of the pool, draft of the implement per unit cross-sectional area of the furrow slice cut by the tillage, draft of the implement in a specific soil condition. The answer is option number 3. 1 atmosphere soil moisture tension is equal to 936 cm of water column, 1036 cm of water column, 1136 cm of water column, 1234 cm water column. The answer is 936 cm of water column. The value of concentration ratio of a flat plate collector is 1, 10, 100, 1000. The answer is 1. Parallel fill ditch system is used for surface drainage system, subsurface drainage system, mold drainage system, bio drainage system. The answer is surface drainage system. Specific gravity separator separates material based on texture, length, size, density. The answer is length. In a size reduction operation, uniformity of grind of a ground product is given by size index, grinding modulus, uniformity index, fineness modulus. The answer is fineness modulus. A bulk storage structure can be termed as shallow bin if plane of rupture of stored material meets opposite side of structure before it touches grain surface, doesn't exist, meets grain surface before it strikes opposite sides, runs along bottom of the surface. The answer is option number 3. Separation equipment suitable for separating airborne particles of rice meal is gravity separator, hydrocyclone separator, cyclone separator, branch separator. The answer is cyclone separator. Thank you for watching our video. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.